Morning. Today we're going to be changing the battery out on the 2.2 diesel PT Cruiser with the battery fitted under the seat, changing the original gel battery for a same. It's not something I've done before on this, so it's as we go. First thing you need is a normal Phillips head screwdriver. Undo the two screws in the fascia, and the fascia just drops down out of the way. Just take it out of the way. With the fascia removed, screws in a nice safe place. You can see there's the battery. Next thing I'm going to take out is the two mounting bolts, one either side. You can see that one down there. There's a bit of a mess under there. Should have moved it first, shouldn't I? We're going to take them out now. Two mounting bolts for the seat at the front. Remove, they're 15mm on this particular one. I don't know if they are on everybody's. And then there's two more at the back of the seat, which I'm going to remove now. Slide the seat forward. There's one there and one this side. I'm just going to take them out. Now I've taken the bolts out. I've actually dropped the recliner down on the seat so it lays flat, and slid it backwards on its mountings because it comes off at the front more. Now underneath it, if you tip it forwards, if I can do it while I'm holding the phone, underneath got two wiring connectors for the seat itself. I'm going to disconnect those now. Two wiring connectors unplugged successfully. Just going to lift the seat out and throw it in the back, and so we can get the battery properly. Right, there we are. Just going to slide off the breather pipe off the gel battery and undo the bolt at the front. Just loosen that off for now to release the retaining bracket. Another bolt for the retaining bracket. As you can see, you can just bend it up out of the way to get the battery out. You don't got to take it all the way off. Just got to disconnect the battery and then realise, oh look, I'm being paid for doing the job. One of the PT Cruiser's many downfalls: if you drop a pound coin, you never get back unless you take the seats out. Alright, disconnect the earth first. 10mm spanner. We'll just disconnect that one. Move it out of the way. And now we've got to remove the positive terminal, and then the battery will come out. So both terminals off, and it's just a simple clip together to get access to the terminal there. So we'll just get the other battery and we'll fit it. There we have the old one and the second hand but not overly old new one. I'm just going to have a look, check the voltages in them. This is the one that's been in the shed. It's been off charge about an hour. It has been on a smart charger. And this is the one that's just come out of my car, and that's has been run this morning. So I think there's a difference there. I've got the battery in, but I've rerouted the live wire as it seems to sit better, and it sits right back in its housing now. It actually slots into place and locks into place. So that's basically it now. I'm just going to connect the earth back up. Alright, all seems to be back in. Breather pipes connected back up. Bolted down. Sitting in its mounting, quite firm. Doesn't move. No, so it's not going to rattle and annoy me under the seat. I think that's it, apart from the 4 bolts to bolt the seat back down. Just have to thread the seat back over the front of the battery, bolt it down, put it back together, and then we'll see how it goes. So there we have it, all back together. All back together. Are the only tools I used: 15mm socket, Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm spanner, and something to put the screws in. And all we've got to do now is test it, I suppose. Alright, let's see what goes on. Sounding good. Charging nicely. Holding. No change if I put the headlights on. All seems good. Happy days. Time to go. Thank you.